and Mouse became friends forever.
No, he's not in the camper van.
In the Asian desert where the sun shines bright, cartoon all-stars ready to take flight. With hearts so bold they rise above the fray. Adventure calls them, guiding their way. Cartoon all-stars, to the rescue we must go. Chasing dreams and laughter in a world we'll grow. With lion and mouse, love spark ignites. Together we'll conquer through the endless nights. He's a handful of trouble, but oh what a charm. With his friends by his side, they'll weather the storm. In magical lands they'll uncover the truth. In every mission there's wonder of you. Cartoon all-stars, to the rescue we must go. Cartoon, we must go. We must go. Chasing dreams and laughter in a world the world will grow. World will grow. With lion and mouse, love sparking lights. Together we'll conquer through the endless nights. He's a handful of trouble, but oh what a charm. With his friends by his side, they'll weather the storm. In magical lands they'll uncover the truth. In ever we'll conquer through the endless nights. From desert sands to the sky so clear, every step taken brings us near. With courage and friendship as our guide, in this beautiful world we won't hide. Cartoon all-stars, to the rescue we must go. Rescue, chasing dreams and laughter in a world we'll grow. Lion and mouse, love spark ignites. Together we'll conquer through the endless night.
I'm being a tent, Charlie.
She's small and very funny.
Who lives in tents?
Explorers live in tents when they go exploring.
Exploring?
Yes, it's like really exciting camping.
Oh, where do they do exploring?
They go all over the whole world. To hot deserts, which are all sand.
Ooh!
To great big rocky canyons.
More baked beans, please.
They even climb whole mountains for the very first time.
We made it!
And when they get to the pointiest peak, they stick a flag in the top.
I would quite like to be an explorer. Why don't we go now?
All the exploring places are really far away, and you have to take water and food for surviving.
We can do that.
Explorers must always prepare properly.
I know, Charlie. That's why I'm taking absolutely, completely everything. Just in case.
Lola? How are you going to carry all that up a mountain? Or run away from elephants?
Easy peasy. See?
But Lola, you have to choose carefully.
Oh, okay then.
Tent, binoculars for spotting wild animals, string for tying things, notebook and pen, water, food, and...
Glitter, in case we need to do some colouring and sticking.
Okay.
Ah. Mum gave me some raisins, in case we get really hungry out in the wild. And Dad said he'll come down if we need some help with the tent.
You won't need any help, Lola, because we're explorers.
I know. Where are we going?
We're going through blizzards and tropical rain.
And can jump over biggish rocks.
We may even have to wade through rivers. But we'll keep on going and going until we get there.
This calls for a pop-up. That won't get us very far. But maybe this will.
No way! Wow!
Now that's more like it.
Don't forget the camping gear, Zach.
Thanks, Kira. Come on, guys.
Yay!
Ready? Hey, where'd Quack go? Quack? I'm not sure you're gonna need all that stuff to go camping, buddy. We're gonna be out under the stars, enjoying nature. Now let's go camping!
Oh, wow! How cool is this pig?
Quack! You're missing the view!
Yeah, look at all those flowers. They're beautiful. Hey, why are we slowing down? Yeah, we're going to miss the comet.
I think your trailer's too heavy, Quack. I'm not sure the Jeep can pull it up the hill.
This is not good.
We can't give up, guys! Oh no! Hold on!
No one said anything about going on a roller coaster.
Hurry, Zach. There it goes. Crinkles! Hey, look! Your tricycle! Where? Where are we going?
Somewhere we can have a real adventure. Like here.
But where completely are we?
I think we must be in the Amazon rainforest. Look at all the hundreds and hundreds of trees.
Ooh.
Mrs. Finch told us that the very top bit of the rainforest is called the canopy.
Ooh.
And on the forest floor there are lots of creepy crawlies.
Oh. Charlie!
That one.
Is this where we're going to make our rainforest camp?
Uh-huh.
Shall I go and get my tea set and some spoons?
Why don't you find a place for our food supplies that won't attract bears and tigers?
Tigers?
Yes, it's very important not to keep your food supplies outside your actual tent in case hungry jungle animals spot it and come for a lunchtime snack.
Hungry jungle animals?
That piece goes there, and this one there. That's a good tent.
What? Can we have a little snack now?
That's a good idea. I'm hungry.
Finished.
Lola, you can't do that. You always have to save something to drink in the jungle.
That's okay, Charlie. I told Mum I would need lots of pink milk if I was going exploring.
You're not supposed to bring extra supplies.
Oh, would you like orange juice more instead of pink milk? I can go and get some.
No, Lola. We can't just go back home every time we want something.
Can't we?
No, that's cheating. We're in a wild and faraway place, remember? and we have to find our own food.
Oh, yes.
We can survive in the Amazon rainforest by ourselves.
Oh.
I'll look for food, and you see if you can discover a whole new kind of actual plant.
All right, Charlie.
Lola, it's me.
Ooh, I thought you were a tiger.
Sorry, Lola. I was just foraging for food in the bush. Do you want to go back to the camp for a bit?
Yes. Then I can share my raisins with you. Are there really bears and tigers in the jungle?
Yes, Lola.
Oh. Could I just go upstairs quickly and get Foxy? I think he liked the jungle, and he could protect us from the tigers and things.
Lola, I told you. We can't go home when we're exploring. Anyway, explorers don't take toys on their adventures.
Not even Foxy?
Nope.
Oh.